We've separated ourselves from our bodies. And all this fancy talk, oh, my nervous system is dysregulated. No, it's not dysregulated. It is following you. The nervous system, if you remember the principle of correspondence, as within, so without. If the nervous system is dysregulated, why? There's something going on inside of you. Don't run from yourself. What's going on inside of you? What's got you all discombobulated? Why you fretting? Deal with that. You don't fuss and fret. No. Look at it. What's going on? And then you'll begin to comprehend that mental health is paramount.